8431. How much current does a 30-volt, 1 divided by 2 horsepower motor that is 85% efficient draw from the bus? Note: 1 horsepower equals 746 watts. A. 14.6 amperes. B. 12.4 amperes. C. 14.3 amperes. The correct answer is A. The motor produces 1 divided by 2 horsepower, or 373 watts, at 100% efficiency, but it is only 85% efficient. 373 divided by 0.85 equals 438.8 watts of power used by the motor. Current drawn by the motor is found by dividing the power by the voltage. I equals P divided by E. I equals 438.8 divided by 30. I equals 14.62 amperes. 8432. Solve the equation. 4x, 3, plus, minus 9 multiplied by 2, plus 2 equals? A. 30. B. 15. C. 5. The correct answer is B. In a problem of this type, work from the inside outward. 1. First solve the parts of the problem inside the parentheses. 4x minus 3 minus 12 minus 9 multiplied by 2 to minus 18 2. Now combine the two values just found. Minus 12 plus minus 18 equals minus 33. Divide this answer by 2. Minus 30 plus 2 equals minus 15. 8433. Solve the equation. 64 multiplied by 3 divided by 8. Plus 314 dash? A. 18. B. 24. C. 32. The correct answer is C. First work the part of the problem inside the parenthesis, and then do the division. 64 multiplied by 3 divided by 8 equals 24. 24 plus 3 divided by 4 equals 32. 8434. Solve the equation. 32 multiplied by 3 divided by 8 plus 116 equals? A. 128. B. 22 but. C. 72. The correct answer is A. Let's start by simplifying the left side of the equation. 32 multiplied by 3 divided by 8 plus 116 equals 12 plus 116. Now, we can add the two numbers together. 12 plus 116 equals 128. 8435. What is the ratio of a gasoline fuel load of 200 gallons to one of 1,680 pounds? A. 5:7. B. 2:3. C. 5:42. The correct answer is A. To convert gallons to pounds, we need to know the density of gasoline in pounds per gallon. The density of gasoline can vary, but a common value is 6.073 pounds per gallon, so 200 gallons of gasoline would weigh. 200 gallons multiply by 6.073 pounds divided by gallon is equals to 1,214.6 pounds. Now we can find the ratio of the two fuel loads. 1,214.6 pounds ratio, 1,680 pounds. To simplify the ratio, we can divide both sides by the greatest common factor, which is 56. So 1,214.6 pounds divided by 56 ratio 1,680 pounds divided by 56, it will be 21.7 pounds ratio 30 pounds. To further simplify the ratio, we can divide both sides by 0.1. Hence, 217 pounds ratio 300 pounds. And finally, we can simplify by dividing both sides by 10, and it will become 21.7 ratio 30.